Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy, and if the title brought you here, then you will know that this is my organization, decluttering of things related to eyelashes and liners. So eyeliners, lip liners, mascaras, lashes. I'm going to go ahead and get started on this declutter for you, so I do hope you enjoy it, and I will see you at the very end. Okay, guys, we're back at it. Yeah, kind of like eyes and lips, liners, mascara. So this should go fairly quickly. So I bought lashes for Halloween and wanted to have nothing to do with it when the time came. So that is gonna go in the eyes. Here we have my favorite mascara that I currently use. This kind of goes in a different spot than what we have over here. So this I'm gonna put to the side. I guess I'll just put it right here. Here we have a backup mascara and brand new. So this is gonna go in with the eyes. Same here, brand new superhero mascara. It's gonna go in to my eyes kit. Backup eyeliner. This is a new one. I haven't tried it yet. I actually prefer, where is it? Is it up here? I prefer the Revlon Color Stay liquid liner. It has a little felt tip on it, but I couldn't find it. I don't know why when I was at the store. So this is my backup eyeliner. So that goes in there. This is staying, of course. This is my go-to mascara. It's the CoverGirl Professional Super Thick Lash. If I wasn't getting new mascaras all the time with my makeup subscription services, this is the one that I would be buying hands down, no matter what new mascara comes out. This is the best stuff ever. So that one is currently being used. This is a brand new Better Than Sex mascara. This is my current fave high-end mascara. It curls, it volumizes, it lengthens, it does everything, and my eyelashes, I think, have never looked better. So this is going in the backup. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This is more than 3 months old. This is a very good price point. I think it was around $4 or $5. It does feel drying on the lashes, but it makes your lashes so very long. Because I do have so many good mascaras that I have to get through, I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. This is a brand new mascara, Plush Drama from the Ulta Beauty brand. I have not opened it, haven't used it, so that's gonna go in my backup. Here we have the Bye Bye Concealer. I must have gotten this as a sample with a kit. This stuff is thick, like super thick, but I actually don't like to use concealers as, so I don't like to use this one underneath my eyes. It just doesn't work for me. And I don't like to use concealers to prime my eyelids, so I'm actually going to just let it go. I'm gonna get rid of it. This is a great eye primer. It's from Kat Von D. I picked it up at Marshall's. This is great for travel because it's not a liquid, so I'm going to hang on to this, but I am currently, you know, it's not new, it's opened and used, so that's gonna go in my day-to-day drawer. This is the Essence Make Me Brow brow mascara, and it's got a little bit of fiber in it. It's a great blonde color for my brows. It's called Blondie Brows. It doesn't have very good hold, so I do use this, but I use it together with the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel, so that stuff stays. This is from Ico. It's a black liquid liner, felt tip. It goes on great, so whenever I do have something that calls for a black liner, I use this one. That stays. This is my first ever kind of brow mascara from Maybelline. This is expired, and it's pretty much out. I don't know why I didn't throw it out, but the only thing I actually don't like about it and why I didn't rebuy it is that wand is actually kind of hard to deal with. It's not my favorite, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. This is from Almay Brow Styler. The shade is light brown. I think I was looking for a blonde, and I picked this one up. This is actually a little too deep for me. There's a lot of product that goes on it, that goes on the wand. It's a little hard for me to work with, so I actually just used it the other day, but I'm actually just gonna let it go. This is also a brand new mascara from Grande Mascara. I got it in a BoxyCharm box. That's gonna go in the backup. This is a small trial size from Bare Minerals. I probably got it in Ipsy, or it was a freebie. I've opened it, I've used it. I apparently don't like it. Whoops. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. This is my absolute favorite eye primer from Urban Decay. This is what I currently use, and this is my backup because I just cannot be without it. So that is going in my eyes. Backup box. This is a Bobbi Brown mascara. I must have gotten it in a box. It's actually quite nice, but I'm just gonna get rid of it. I've got plenty of mascara. There's no reason to keep that one around. Same with this. This is from Duce. This can just go. Same with this, Monsieur Big. I hate this product with a passion. This is going. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. This is actually a great formula, but I don't like it for me. It's the tubing mascara, so what that means is, you know, you just get your eyelashes a little wet, and it comes off, it just slides off your lashes in like little tubes. But it makes my eyelashes very, very straight. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that in my current to use. This is Maybelline Define-A-Line Brownish Black Eyeliner. I apparently I don't remember when I bought it, so I guess it's time to get rid of it. This is It Cosmetics Brow Power, where it's got the brow definer and a spoolie. This is expired, it's gotta go. Here we have a white eyeliner. I must have gotten this for Halloween. I just don't know when. I don't know how long I've had it, but I think it's time to let it go. Here we have a half red lip pencil from, I think this is MAC. Yeah, I've had this for a very long time. It's gotta go. And my cat is gonna make an appearance in 3, 2, 1. This is Maya, everyone, in case you didn't know. Anyways, okay, so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of this guy. Come here, Maya. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come this way. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so sorry about that little interruption. She has a heated pad that she lays on over there, so she needed to make her way. Back to the Glittering Star Eyeliner from Jante Blue, or Jante Blue. It's a black glittery eyeliner. You know, I think I'm gonna let it go. By the time I actually think to use it, it's probably gonna be expired. It came in a box, so I have no problem getting rid of it. Same with this right here, color eyeliner, color icon from Wet n Wild. This is in like a gray. I probably got it for Halloween. That's gone. Exaggerate full color lip liner from Rimmel. Again, I don't really use lip liners, and I'm definitely not going to use red, so that was probably for Halloween. This is a nude eyeliner I got from my inner eye. Inner eye? Am I saying the right thing? I don't know. This, it comes off pretty quickly. It doesn't stay. So I'm going to get rid of it. Star Looks. This is actually a new eyeliner I got, but it's a glittery pink. Like, seriously, when am I ever going to use that? And I just no. I'm throwing it away. Another product from Jante Blue. This is a dark brown liquid liner. I think I'm gonna keep this one. That's staying. This I got for Halloween from Essence. It is a blue. Oh crap. Well, it's on my floor now, and I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. Because really, when am I gonna use it again? Like never. Here we have a CoverGirl Farewell Feathering Lip Liner. Supposed to put this on before your lip product, and I don't use it. I'm gonna get rid of it. Here we have, ooh, brand new eyeliner Blackout from Ulta. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep that in my backup drawer. Hasn't been used. This is new Illamasqua Coloring Pencil Eye Crayon, and the shade is, I think it's a dark brown. So yeah, we're for sure gonna keep that. I prefer that than the Jante Blue one, so I'm gonna get rid of Jante Blue. Here we have, oh, this guy. I need to give you a review on this. This is actually new from Wet n Wild. It's the Keep Going from their like active line, Wet n Wild lineup. It's this kind of like antique bronzy color. The shade is called Mud Run, and it actually stays on the eye really, really well, but I have a hard time kind of blending it out. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit more, but if you're looking for like a one and done like eye crayon, definitely try this out. We're getting down to the nitty gritty here. We have a MAC lip liner. It's probably ancient and it's gonna get tossed. And here we have MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. It probably came in Ipsy. I don't think this is expired yet. I'm gonna hang on to it. Here is glitter primer that is staying, and this was a Professional little sampler guy, and I don't like Professional, so this is going to be specific, I don't like the original one. I like the matte version, so I'm gonna get rid of this. And that, you guys, I think is gonna do it for random eye and lip liner madness. So yeah, there you have it. Everything organized, put away, out of my face, and I couldn't be happier. So I hope this gave you some ideas. I hope, you know, if you like watching decluttering videos, that this was a fun one to watch for you. I would appreciate any questions or comments you have down below, or just, you know, do you organize the same way? Do you find that after a year of like makeup services that you don't know what to do with your makeup, and what did you do to organize it? But I'd love to hear from you either way. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign off now. I hope you have a good day or a good night wherever you are, and I hope to see you back here again soon. So don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and do all that good stuff so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. All right, take care. Bye.